Hello Windows Universe! In this video we will take a quick look at the UsoClient.exe in Windows 10. For a more in-depth look, we will be sure to link an article in the description down below. USO stands for Update Session Orchestrator. It is located in the System32 file. So if you are seeing it anywhere else, that could be a malware, and you should run a scan. The USO client and its related processes are used to check for, download, and install updates. In a command prompt, there are commands that you can use to run certain USO tasks. You have UsoClient.exe start scan, start download, start install, refresh settings, resume update, scan install wait, start interactive scan, restart device. For more helpful information on how to make the most of your Windows experiences, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital universe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.